Swati Singh and welcome to my channel. To all the military brats out there, let's give our fathers something this Father's Day that they cherish.
For this project, we will need a pair of scissors, black marker, pencil, stapler, fevi-stick, and I'm using green crafting paper because I'm making the winter ceremonial dress. You can even make blue patrol or the combat uniform. So I've taken a piece of cardboard and I'm going to cover it with the A4 size white paper. Stick glue on all the edges in such a manner that the two corners come and meet at a common point. I'm going to repeat the same step on this green crafting sheet, bringing the two edges together, but do not stick them now. I'm going to make collars now on which the dog tags will come. Take a pencil and a scale and mark 3 centimeters from the edges and 8 centimeters from the top and make a clean triangle. Do not draw it, just make a crease with the help of a scale. Now these are the 4 corners which I am going to stick with the help of a fevi-stick. Do not stick the collars now. I am making a triangle now that is 6 centimeters from the top and I am going to cut it. This is how it looks. Now we are going to give definition to the collars. For that I am going to use a black marker. I've kept a rough paper below these collars. I think these black outlines give altogether a different definition to the uniform. You can see how much difference does it make. I have placed the triangle in such a manner that the pointed head of the triangle and the end of the green paper are adjacent to one another, and the grey area is the area which we are going to cut. I know you must be wondering why have I made 2 collars. Well, the green one is for the coat, the grey one is for the shirt that you wear inside, and then I have added a black tie. Now comes the most important part. I have made all these badges, insignia, ranks and ceremonials with paper. These are 2 star stickers and I have printed out the emblem. Next we have the para wing, the insignia of a missile. Next we have ribbon. You have to customize the ribbon and the belt according to your father. I have used a white marker on a black sheet of paper for writing the name and the blood group. Next we have the rocket insignia, the dog tags, PC commendation card and the chief commendation card. In order to avoid confusion, I have placed the rank and insignia ceremonials on the side they come. We will start off by placing the belt. Just remember that the rank on the right side will come on top of the belt. Make sure that the belt is stuck well because the ribbon and the other insignias will come on top of the belt. The extra part can be cut down easily. Finally, we will stick the collars now. I am using a double side tape to stick it. Before sticking them, place these miniatures on the card so that you can be sure of their position. Also, I am going to stick them in such a manner that there is some distance between all of them. This obviously gives it a neater look and it also makes your card more attractive. I am placing all of these in the exact same position and it is finally done. This is the final look of the card. Half of the task is done. Now I am taking a A3 sheet to make it cover. It is very simple to make it. Just place your card at the center so that there is some place on both sides. Take a ruler and draw a straight line on both the edges. Now take a scissor and draw a nice crease on both the sides. This is a very good trick that will help you to get neat and clean crease. I am going to paste the 2 sides with the fevi-stick. Make sure that you apply glue only on the folded part and not on the white part. Press it nicely so that it can stick and leave it for some time so that it can dry. Once it is done, take your card and place it inside. I have added a white rectangle. I am writing Dear Papa. One idea for you guys, you can write Dear Papa or Papa in your own language. And it is done. Now in order to secure it, I am taking a stapler and I am going to staple right at the center. This step is not necessary, it depends whether you want to do it or not. And your card and envelope is ready. This Father's Day, give your father a handmade miniature form of his uniform and make him feel loved and special.
I hope you like the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do and share this video with all the military brats so that they can give their fathers something like this. I'm also coming up with a giveaway. You can follow that on my Instagram channel. The link is in the description box. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so that you know whenever I come online. Thank you so much for watching.